I know that a lot of you have been having some trouble getting your MiniMax working in ComfyUI. You start running, it looks like everything should be good, and then you get partial way through, and then you get a KSampler error, and it's like, what the heck is this meaning? Okay, the real simple answer to this is that you need to update your NVIDIA drivers. Okay, so you if you got an NVIDIA card, it comes with the NVIDIA app. You just need to open it up and you need to update your drivers to the latest. Now, the other thing is going to be that you need to update your CUDA toolkit or your Torch, you know, to 12 or to 13. So really all you got to do, we've done this so many times, you go to Google, you type in Torch install, go there, and you're going to find the version 13. Okay, now it used to be that didn't work, these higher versions didn't work with the lower cards, but they've sorted that stuff out. That is the issue that you're having. If you're getting these errors with your KSampler, guaranteed the issue is you need to update your NVIDIA drivers and you need to update the Torch. Okay, now I have over at getgoingfast.pro, if you go over to this link here, okay, all you gotta do is sign up for a free account. I actually have an updater, so you can do it yourself, okay? You can play around with it, use your agent, whatever. But you can also just go over here and click it, and you can get this for free. You just put it in your ComfyUI folder and run it. It will actually figure out if you've got a portable install or a manual one, and it will fix it for you. As well, over here, we have set up for you, we've updated the free ComfyUI installer. So if you run this, you're actually going to be all set up for using your MiniMax. And then of course, we'll pop back over here again, and we do have the updated ComfyUI nodes installer model manager for you over here. So we got three things for you that's going to help. Is one, just go over here and just grab the updater. If you're having the problems, run it. It will fix your ComfyUI for you. Okay. The other one again over here is the free ComfyUI installer. It's always been free. Just get it and just run it, and it'll fix it for you. Or if you don't have it, run it. And then of course the third being that we actually have the model manager for you. Run that. It's going to do everything for you all in one. And then you're out there making fantastic MiniMax videos like this one right here. All right.